Ready? We were doing a review video on this pocket multimeter. So I put it to the side and get my stuff out of my pocket. And the batteries we're going to test. And the probes. So first, let's go over hardware test. Battery, keep it closed. This is it on the manual. So put that back how it came with. On-off button, hold button, the dial, probe ports, the colors red, black, that's pretty much it. So let's plug in the probes, red to red, black to black. I'm pretty sure you already knew that. Yeah, that's the colors on. So I want to take them off. I'm going to test the back. So yeah, so let's put it back to 9 volt. So let's unfold the 12 couples. And we will test this AAA battery to be turned on. So I think this is the right way. Let me see. Yeah. It says about 1.50 on that. Now we'll get a 9 volt battery, which is much powerful because it's 9 volts. This is a 1.5 volts. So turn it back on. So let's. It's 9.19. So let's, yeah, this is what it looks like. So
Leon, when you make a review, do you like it or do you not like it?
Like it.
Does it work good, do you think?
Yeah.
Would you recommend other people buy it?
Yes.
Okay, so Leon recommends the Craftsman Multimeter or Multimeter.